Hello all, I would like to present you the survey that will be soon conducted within the project OHealth Edu. I am Stéphanie Tuberjanin from the University Clermont-Auvergne, and I work along with Cristina Manzanares from the University of Barcelona and the other strategic partnership members on that intellectual outputs. As you may already know, a scoping review has shown that there is limited knowledge on educational practices and organization of oral health professional education across Europe. This led to the writing of a position paper with recommendations for the future of oral health professionals education in Europe, in line with WHO's strategy for the health workforce. And it helped us develop an online questionnaire survey with an associated glossary of terms. So this survey will soon start, and we wish that we will be able to have information interesting at an European level, and that will be available in real time on our website. I will just present you the modalities of the development of the questionnaire itself, and present you the structure of the future online interactive data hub. The questionnaire survey has been developed following a methodology with a mix of qualitative and quantitative methods. We have followed an iterative process that was characterized by a constant search for consensus within the expert committees. Indeed, a quasi-Delphi method has been used. This is a qualitative method of forecasting by collecting opinions from a group of experts through several rounds of questions. The work relies on experts who are knowledgeable about the topic, so they can reach consensus about it. The group of experts has thus worked on the conception of the questionnaire with different successive versions that have been pilot tested to finally obtain a final version. So the questionnaire has been written in connection with the glossary of terms so that the respondents can have easily the definitions they need while filling the questionnaire. With all the strategic partnership members, we have tried to find a balance for having a questionnaire that is not too long but comprehensive enough. And we have also checked that questions are relevant for all the schools situated in different countries. So the questionnaire is available in English. It will be soon available in French and maybe in other languages. It includes approximately 100 items organized in different sections, such as the structure of the school, the programs it delivers, the methods of teaching and learning that are being used, the available facilities or quality assurance system. So data about the number of dentists, some data about the number of students or staff also are being collected. And there is also a focus on the issue of clinical activity. A preliminary framework has already been developed by Olivier François and Virginie de Bernard from the University Clermont-Auvergne with the Lime survey platform. And we now are building the online interactive hub with Miguel Braga from the company Design and Development Brag in Portugal and the other strategic partnership members. And I would like to particularly thank Dennis Murphy from the AD office and James Field for their contribution. The online interactive hub will first ensure data collection with the questionnaire linked to the glossary. There will be pop-ups for the needed definitions. This will automatically generate information that will be displayed online on the OHealth Edu website with an interactive map where information about the answering schools will be available, and for those who agree for that dissemination. And the system will also generate tables and figures about the global situation at an European level. And we can have an idea of what we want to do with a survey about the response of European academic dental institutions to the COVID-19 crisis. A link in the manuscript brings you to the AD website where there is a map showing the schools that answered the questionnaire. And for AD members, it's also possible to access to the results with figures that are updated in real time. So this survey was kind of a try for the OHealth Edu project. I hope that this presentation has been helpful for you. I also hope that you will be interested in shaping the future of oral health professional education in Europe with your participation in the survey. If you wish to participate, please have a look to our website for updated information. And thank you for your attention.